When we began brainstorming for this project, we knew we wanted to see how politicians use social media. Since there was already a lot of information about social media use by national politicians, we chose to focus on Virginia politicians, asking, for Virginia delegates, what is the relationship between Twitter content and politician characteristics?
We collectively hypothesized 4 theories: political affiliation, location, race, and age. Political affiliation, we found the politician's political belief and measured the individual's Twitter exposure. For location, we found the politician's influences, where they were located in the state, and the dependent variable was the individual's Twitter content. For race, we found the race of the politician, and the result was the Twitter submissions on minority support. Lastly, for age, we found the age of the politician, and the dependent variable is the tone expressed in Twitter posts.
For our group's methods, we selected a stratified sample to pick which 36 delegates would be used in this content analysis. The method used to select these delegates was a sampling stratum of political affiliation. The 6 coders randomly chose 3 Republican and Democrat Virginia delegates. The first coding was utilized to code each delegate. This included age, race, gender, location, and political affiliation. The second coding was utilized to code the content of each tweet. This included the labeling of fiscal, social, education, healthcare, human interest, or transportation. Overall, each coder obtained a total of 84 tweets from each political party, and 1,008 tweets were coded overall. Intercoder reliability was completed through randomly selecting 10 tweets from random political figures. Each coder displayed the number correlating to the category they felt fit the tweet. This proved to be a visible representation of intercoder reliability.
Our first hypothesis was supported by the data found. We found that almost 20% of tweets about human interest came from Northern Virginia. We also hypothesized that political affiliation affects tweet content and found that Democrats were more likely to tweet about human interest topics, while Republicans were more likely to tweet about transportation and education.
In summary, delegates in the age groups of 41 to 50 years old accounted for the majority of our tweets. Males accounted for the majority of the tweets collected. Of our sample, females were responsible for between 10 and 20% of the tweets. The majority of the tweets came from politicians in Northern Virginia that were Caucasian. The Republican Party tweeted about fiscal, education, human interest, and transportation topics. The Democratic Party tweeted most about social issues and healthcare.